Bauna's Kitchen. Today I'm so excited to share my quick and easy lunch menu, pasta and salad. So let's begin. Bring water to boil. Add salt. Drop the pasta in. Stir and boil for about 9 to 10 minutes, or you can always follow the instructions on the pack. Pasta is ready. Drain pasta. Alright. Keep it covered. Wash spinach and cut. Here I have gathered all the ingredients to prepare spinach Alfredo sauce. On a medium heat, into the pan, take butter and oil. Mince the garlic and add into the pan. Add plain flour, milk, shredded white cheddar cheese, salt, freshly ground black pepper, red pepper flakes, and here I have the Alfredo sauce ready. And to make spinach Alfredo, I'm going to add ground nutmeg and spinach. So now I have the spinach Alfredo sauce ready. Add boiled pasta and give it a good stir. Look at this yummy, creamy pasta. Smells amazing here. And besides spinach, I also got basil, fresh basil from my garden. I'm going to use in pasta and the salad as well. So I'm going to keep some whole. And for the pasta, I'm going to chop. And because there's spinach already in spinach Alfredo, I think I'm going to keep one more for the salad. And add into the pasta. Smells amazing here. Garlic, basil. And give it a stir one more time. Alright, so the pasta is ready, and now I'm going to work on salad. I usually welcome all kinds of cuisine food in my kitchen, and I love to keep variety in my family food as well. And so it gives me a lot of options to choose from. Lightly roast walnuts. To prepare the fig salad, here I have some figs. I'm going to use basil, jalapeno, shallot, and first I'm going to chop lettuce. Roughly chop lettuce. So first I'm going to make the bed of lettuce onto the plate, and next I'm going to cut basil. Just tear apart basil, or you can just cut in a big chunks, roughly like so, and onto the plate. And now I'm going to cut the shallots. I could have chosen onion, but shallot has actually mild flavor, and sometimes I like the mild flavor of shallots instead of red onion. But many time I use a red onion in my salads. So if you don't have shallots, you can definitely use red onion. And I'm going to cut into slices. And then just take out the rings like so. and onto the plate. Next, I'm going to cut jalapeno into slices. That should be just good enough. I always love heat of jalapeno when I make the salad with any kind of fruits. And now it's time to cut figs. Now figs, you can just cut them into half. I like the big bite of figs, or you can quarter them, so however you like. Yummy. Onto the plate. Look at this. Drizzle olive oil, squeeze lemon or lime juice, salt, pepper, and I love to shave some cheese on top. You can use your favorite cheese here, or you can simply leave out cheese. Alright, and finally roasted nuts. Look at this yummy looking salad now, and salad is ready. You can see the plate. I'm already tempting to eat this salad. I simply love fig and walnut salad. And now it's time to get some fresh orange juice. Ready to juice out. Alright, so juice is ready. Fresh orange juice. And here I have the orange juice ready as well. Simply delicious. Ready to take out pasta into the serving plate. Look at this. Alright, so look at this complete lunch menu. Pasta with salad, spinach Alfredo pasta with fig and walnut salad. So I hope I made it easier for you to plan out what to eat during lunchtime. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And you can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and more. Instagram, I hope I said that already, but if not, yes, Instagram. I'm on Instagram as well under Bhavna's Kitchen. And hope you check out my ebook Cooking Smart with Bhavna on Kindle. Thanks for watching and see you soon.